a day. Day 2, baby. 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 Bruh. South Island today, boys. Got my cut on. Fuck, I haven't worn this for years.
You wore it yesterday.
Yeah, I've been yesterday as well. You guys are off early, eh? This comes up at 3.
Day 2, baby.
I don't sleep either, bro. No, bro.
Alright, we're gonna do the draw for the giveaway from the last episode. Thanks again to everyone that had entered. I've got it up on the computer. Let's go. Here's the winner for our first ever giveaway on the channel. I'm gonna run it up again. This time we're gonna give away a shirt and a hoodie. So you guys know what to do. Like this video and drop us a comment.
Wellington to Picton, Picton to Kaikoura, and then we come down to here, and then Lake Tekapo, and then all the way down to Queenstown, 2 nights there, and then Invercargill, Bluff, and then we come back up to Wanaka, and then over to Hukatika, back over to Arthur's Pass, Hamner Springs, and then back to Picton, and then I get off here. The boys got to go back to here.
Day 2, baby. Bike check.
Bike check, bike check.
What's the time, boys?
It's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock in the morning.
5 in the morning. Check it out. This
Bros
is
Road King, 124.
my tailbags. What I got? I've got 3 shirts, 4 undies, 4 pairs of socks, 1 pair of shorts, and toiletries in that one. And then in here,
Those cardos ready to go.
we've got tool pack, wet weathers, GoPro gear, and a drone, and just essentials, spare gloves.
Ready to roll. Morning, brother.
Morning, brother.
Bros all packed, ready. Bike check. We're at Rolling Straits workshop. Running the duffel.
Good.
Yeah.
left that guy behind me, and then I've got another one for me.
Straight through the gate, thank you.
Awesome.
This morning, Cyrus, Kane, we're at the ferry. Shut up, cunt. No, yeah, we're going on the ferry, heading over to the South Island. First stop, Kaikoura. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna meet the boys there. There's another 4 of them, and then yeah, South Island, baby, on ways. Let's go. Did you put these on?
Yeah.
Sometimes better have that Glock one on the top, eh? It locks the mirror a bit better.
Yeah, there's even if you do it tight, right, it'll still have a bit of.
Is there a mic there?
Snap.
Better?
Yeah, that's better.
Just lining up,
you
waiting to
talk at
get
the
on. For about
Ready?
20 minutes to get on the ferry.
Oh, no, that was
All the
the
bikes lined up.
Alrighty, team.
So you're saying that
Day 2. We've just got to the ferries to pass the Cook Strait, and we're gonna be in Picton. Probably around. What time are we gonna be in Picton?
That's wide angle.
What time are we gonna be in Picton? What time are we gonna be in Picton? About 11 AM, and then we're heading straight to Kaikoura. Holy shit! We almost had an accident here. Jeepers.
Fucking caravan!
Oh. Do you want to get them putting in transport mode? T-Sport.
Yo! Yeah. Solid.
That's a muscle.
Holy shit.
Let's go.
There's an escalator on this ferry. Believe that or what?
You're right.
Run here.
I guess there's wallet, cell phone, and glasses behind.
Oh, you're a good boy.
Go. X, mate.
Yeah,
So,
you go.
and a goodie.
Oh, the X. Coffee, food.
Freezer parked on P3 with the registration HEWEYS.
Hello.
We have
Cute.
breakfast all ready to go, and we've got alcohol beverages from 8 AM, and we've got burst of coffee, you should go up to Faith and she'll make it for you.
Awesome. Okay, thank you very much for that. Cheers.
Sweet, we've just made it on the ferry, just up at the lounge. It's like a little Kaikoura lounge. Unlimited food and stuff like that. I reckon it's unlimited alcohol. Fuck, he'll have 2 beers and he'll be off his face.
Hell no.
Damn.
Said breakfast. The Koru lounge.
Is it probably really much, eh? Who the car one out? Full downtime.
20 minutes.
How's it doing? Good, mate. You guys been waiting here all day? Hey, what? From the heart. From the heart. First stop on the way to Kaikoura. We're about 59 minutes away from the accommodation. Kaikoura, and we're stopping for lunch at
Min Bins or Min's Bin.
old muscles.
Made it to our accommodation in Kaikoura.
Check that line out.
Alright guys, come with me. I'll give you guys a tour.
The bro's gonna get in the hot tub. Sick view, hopefully that clears up tomorrow, eh? Sheesh. Nice little deck. You a rocking chair for home, some toys you can play with. Tidy and clean, not bad, not bad. This was one of the cheaper accommodations, but yeah, not bad, not bad. A few beds. Toilet, this is the ensuite, eh? Must be my room.
Oh, that's tough, G. That's tough, G.
So this is what I'm traveling with. My leather jacket, slides, I'm gonna chuck those bad boys on. And yeah, pretty much all my clothes, toiletries are in here. Just travel light.
Should we go get the drone up, we? Yo's up.
So it's Monday tomorrow, working week. So we gotta update the voicemail. Hey, you've reached Cyrus from Rolling Strait, and I'm riding the bike to Invercargill and back for 9 days, so I won't be in the office. If you want to leave me an email, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Cheers.
We did, but then you brought it back.
I was frosty, I was like slurring your shit.
Hey, it's Cyrus.
Emotional damage. Fuck, I'm
It's not Rolling Straight.
It looks like the weather's gonna pack in tonight.
These Gen 2 bikes have a bit of tedious problems with not turning on and shit.